Hello, everybody. This is Charles Anderson. I'm just a guy from Goodwill, Oklahoma, and I've got a really great video game idea. Just a little update for my YouTube channel. One of the things that I came across was I was like, hey, so we don't have really how to expand JMonkey Engine, up on the forums over there. And of course, well, that makes sense because it's a NetBeans environment, and so that would be more for the NetBeans forum, for questions and stuff regarding that. Uh, but of course, I've already started a thread. I guess I could head over there, and for my example, I've started up a project. Let's just go ahead and make a visual editor for the Tone God GUI, and write it up properly for that environment. And so, of course, they're like, hey, let's get a repository going. And so, because Norman and Krill and well, the guys, the crew have gone to GitHub with their source repository. I guess why not? I'll go with GitHub. So um, I set up the GitHub, and got just an empty module suite ready to start adding modules to. I've got the project outline. Oh, I guess I need to add a README. Although the README will pretty much just be the project outline. And I this is the first time that I've actually worked with an online repository. I mean, because here I am, I'm just programming for fun, so I'm not in like a team environment. So this will be my first time in a team environment, figuring out how to use this website, and because I'm the only contributor, because honestly, right now I don't know how to set up the other stuff. But with this repository, I'm at least able to let people download this stuff as a zip, but right now it's still empty, so severe disappointment. The big thing being that I do have the outline there, and of course, if you click View Raw, if you have the Adobe Reader installed, then you'll just be able to read it. And gives a rough overview of functionality, stuff like that. Some considerations that have already occurred to me to try and implement on the source code. So. That's that. That's the location of the PDF. I've also already put it as a link right there. Should go to the same location there. Yeah. And as far as the project, this is the project's title name, and on the forum that I'm basing it off of. So we'll have everything being updated on the second post, because I see this edit button. Yeah, you can't edit a thread starter, so we'll get that up and rolling. Anything else that I need to remember? Oh yeah, hey, so for those people who also decide to do GitHub and they happen to have Windows, okay, they got this little downloader thing that you just fire it up, and the way that this works is, oh, I already had it. I already had one open. Okay, so I don't need that one. I'll just go with this one. Okay, so you're given this thing, and basically, like me, I was like, the first time I saw it, like, I can't see because my head's up my butt. And so, yeah, because, hey, I haven't worked with online repositories before at all. But, yeah, like, when setting up a new repository, like for JMonkey Engine, so I have my JMonkey projects. All I did was, like I said, okay, I'm going to do this thing. Here's where I have my code, right? I don't want to share them all. So all I did was, like, went into the JMonkey projects folder for like a new repository. Oh, right. And so, I browsed to that path, because that's where I usually have my JMonkey projects set up. So, derp, derp. So, like, here you are, right? And so you just select, like, where you typically put your projects. And, of course, I'm going to cancel out of this because I'm not actually, well, I'll select folder. And then like you give it a name, like I gave my Tone God Visual Edit project like the TGVE name. And yeah, hey, it already exists. Well, of course it already exists. But what it does is it creates that folder and preps it for doing the whole repository thing. And so now it'll make that TGVE folder, and I don't need to do that. There's something called git ignore. I guess I don't know what because again I'm a rank amateur at this, but I'm pretty sure that git ignore will ignore certain types of files that aren't necessary, like that are part of the OS. I'm guessing like thumbnails or something that Windows automatically generates, but don't necessarily need to be posted to the server. I'm guessing that's what git ignored. That assumption sounds about right. Now, when making new projects that I wanted to share on the web, then I went like I've already got the empty module suite, so I'm going to go ahead and create the module that I'm going to have in mind for TGV edit. So why not? Let's say new, or you know what? Here's the module section. We'll say add new, and of course it's going to be a module. So this is going to be the multi-view. Oh wait, no. Right. I could do it that way, but the easier way is because I'm attaching it to the TGVE. Uh, oh, it's just saying module. Okay, let's go cancel that. G new project. Nope, not a project. I need huh? Oh, I feel bad now. Oh wait, duh. NetBeans module, right? Where was that one that I found? Oh my gosh. No. I definitely want to add a new section to my module suite, but it's called the new file type. Okay, let's just call it module. This will be the TGVE multi-view. Okay, next. Maybe I just didn't go. Okay, dot idiog dot see, I could have sworn that there was something more. I'm probably doing something wrong. Because there it is. It's like finish. Oh, here we are. Yes, module development and file type. That's what I was looking for. Okay, mine type. It's going to be text X TGVE multi-view. Just TGVE. And by file name extension, yes, of course. See, use multi-view is right there. It'll actually create that. Class name prefix. What? Oh, okay. Dirty. Oh, okay. TGVE. Envy. Oh wait, let's do like TG. All right, capitalize. Here I am, just rent. Okay, why not? Icon, definitely. I've got one ready, and it's up there on my desktop. It's a little 16 by 16. I don't know if it needs a 16 by 16 or 24 by 24 or an icon file, but hey, it's getting a 16 by 16. That should work. And finish. Okay, so I have my module suite there. I added the module to it. Here's the module. Bam, got all this stuff. And of course, you'll notice these blue lines, which means that the JME engine has detected a Git repository, and it's different, obviously now because I just added something. And derp. Now it's just empty for now. I guess I could check it out, but I'm not really too worried at the moment. I'll do the install and run later. But yeah, because I did it in this, right? So here's the module, and then here's the project reference outside of it. So we look at our repository. And there's our new project inside of the project repository because I said new module. And so this is the actual what I'm wanting to create. This is just like the container for it. So even though it's out here on the bar, it's actually there. Go figure. But anyway, once you create like a new project, if you want to add it to the repository, just make sure that your containing folder is, that Git folder that's created here. And it will say, hey, there's new stuff. So, okay. I am going to leave it at that for now, but yeah, just basically when you go new project in general, it doesn't matter what it is. Let's just do a quick basic game. See here on project location, you just browse for your Git folder. So like TGVE is for this Git folder, and then that will now be Giticized to publish up to the web. So, all right, that's that. That's all that I really wanted to say was, hey, heads up, I'm trying out this Git. I was able to get it to run for me, so I figured it out great, and it seems like a good website. I kind of like it's groovy. So, all right, y'all have a good one, and that's the update for 6/21/2014, month 9/10. I'm gonna assume 10. Because I think I started in August of last year. So, yeah, a couple more months and I'll be around full circle for my first year of my 5-year mission. Later.